Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the stainless steel toaster that my wife got from Kohl's, as you can see. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then see what does it look like. Some of the coupon that they included in here. So here is the SKU number, UPC code, and then the product description: 2-slice custom select toaster, and it shows $59.99, but I don't think we pay for that price. Normally we apply the cold cash and then the additional coupon. Cruisinart custom select 2-slice toaster. Maximize your toasting option. Program setting for bread, bagels, English muffins, waffle, and then toaster pastries. Integrated shade control, 7 setting. Let you select the desired shade for your bread type. Single slice technology, unique heat delivery, evenly toast both sides of a single slice, defrost frozen waffles, and more. Go from frozen to perfection with the touch of a button. And then this one is the model CPT-620, and then you can follow their Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, G+, Instagram. What's the middle? What's the green one? And then this is what the toaster is gonna look like. Give you guys 360 view at the box real quick. Limit 3 years warranty. That's pretty long. Normally it's about 1 year only. So you could put bread, bagel, waffle, pastries, and English muffin in there. And this one is made in China. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Here is the instruction. I guess the other side was Spanish. Cleaning maintenance, user use and care. Here is the cord. Wow, looks very nice. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So currently we have the cheap white looking toaster. So this will match our appliances. So there's a single button right here, and then a defrost, and then cancel. And then here's the heat level from 1 all the way to 7. And then here's the knob for bread, bagel, waffle, pastry, English muffin. And you got the Cruisinart branding right there. Oh my god, there is a dent. You see that? That's a no-no. So yeah, it sounds pretty hollow. And then there's a tray right here, so you can remove the crumb. Remove it to wash it. And then on the bottom right here, you could loop your cord around this. And then there's a hook right here, I guess to shorten it up when you put it away. Pretty nice. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.